Let's take a look at this problem. The function f of x equals to 70 times x raised to the 3/4 models the number of calories per day a person needs to maintain life in terms of that person's weight, x in kilograms. X equals to person's weight, f of x equals to calories needed. A. If a person weighs 80 kilograms, how many calories per day does this person need to maintain life? Round your answer to the nearest calories. So we have the equation. We have the function f of x equals to 70 times x raised to the 3/4. X represents the person's weight, and f of x equals to represents the calories needed. And now part A, they're telling you the person's weight is 80 kilograms. So that means x is equals to 80. So now the f of 80 would becomes 70 times 80 raised to the 3/4. And we need to use our calculator. Let's take a look. We have 70 times 80 raise it to the 3/4. Now make sure you have the parenthesis around the exponent. Open parenthesis, 3 divided by 4, close the parenthesis, and then hit enter. So turn out you got 1,872 point something. Now the question asking you to round it to the nearest calorie. So that means you want to round it to the nearest whole number. So we need to take a look at the tens places, which is 4. And so we do not need to round up. So the number would be 1872. So f of 80 is equals to 1872 calories per day. Or make it more clear, a person weighs 80 kilogram, needs 1,872 calories per day. Take a look at part B. Mark a point on the graph that conveys the information from part A. By the time x is equals to 80, now from this graph, we see that 50 is over here, 100 is here, and in between, we separate it into 5 equal parts. So we can tell this would be 60, this would be 70, and this would be 80. So 80 is right over here. And now when x is equal to 80, then we have this point. We go up here, and that corresponding to this y value. Although it would be difficult to tell from the graph what would be the f of 80, but from our algebra, we can tell f of 80 would be 1,872.